Professor Halverson. We're now at day 3 of our week on STAR. What are you going to talk about?
So now we're on day 3. We're halfway through the talk, and we're going to fast forward in time to the 21st century, having looked at Earth's deep climate past, and look at what's going to happen in the next 100, 150, 200 years. There's an awful lot of drama surrounding this that you hear in the media and even scientists. We want to take a look at what do we know about climate change. What are these things called climate models? How do they predict climate in the future? And also, what does the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, its latest report, which was released last summer, say is the consensus view of the scientists?